Watch. Here we go on now, people. You know the general, the 10-star one. And I know each and every time I come to represent, I know a full effect thing, don't it? I know when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, I know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrify one on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Hear me now, nation people. It's been a while. But watch. Here we are going. Right now, I see the man them have it for say Popcaan Diss 10 tick and 10 tick this popcorn. Then I see a thing I run around where I take over the media with them I say Gully God, this Flippa mafia. So it look like say they ain't nothing good. That's for the people them talk about. It's all about being bad. I see the people that push out on the internet. Nothing about good. There ain't nothing good going on. All I see I go on the internet I just be bad. So watch me now. The man them see the Caribbean award go on over there, you know. It's been a while now, you know, since the Caribbean have an award show like that, you know. And see well then, yo, things are lookable, look up where music concerned for the Caribbean. You see what I say? So we're gonna big up the people them who keep the Caribbean awards. You see what I say? It is well needed, red carpet style. We love everything we go on. But watch me now. Popcaan keep him back to school treat out of St. Thomas. See? You know a couple artists step on it and all them shit there. But I tell you now what me see, you know, because I not talk about what me hear, you know. You see what I say? Because that is not a sure thing when you talk about your ear. You see what I say? I tell you what I see. Yo, I see 10 take a perform and I see Popcaan and sing him song and him sing Popcaan song and the whole place did nice. I see him cuss a bad word on the stage and when him cuss the bad word, immediately from him cuss the bad word, them disarm the mic from him. So that for sure you say, well then no bad word, no law because it's a school treat business. Me no know we go on behind the scene between Popcaan and Tentic. But all me know a bagger vlogger the next morning run with it and claim say Popcaan a diss him. You see what I say? Because them claim say, true him might say, well then, him might big up the youth them and not show the youth them say, well then, me no want to no watch nothing because anyone now can forward up and come keep a treat with bigger than even this. Well that I no lie him I tell so Popcaan couldn't diss him for that. Me not see how Popcaan can diss him for that. And when even them take the mic from him because the bad word thing, me never really feel like you know myself say diss him. So me no know where go on behind the scene. But watch me now. The vlogger them run with it all over the internet. You see what I say? And I say Popcaan Diss 10 thing. When me look, authentic. Buy watermelon, see? Authentic. Buy watermelon. Buy watermelon. You see what I say? And then splash it out on the ground. Me don't know what that mean or me don't know if it's a sign. Me not really know like buying a melon and splash it out on the ground. Me don't know what is that. Me don't understand. You see what I say? Me don't know if a true over there some girl come on where them and Papi in a look friction on the internet with some melon business. Me don't know if a that. You see what I say? But me I say, if you are an artist and you genuinely feel a way about we go on over St. Thomas, over where Papi do. Me personally think you should have take it to the studio. You see what I say? And say, well, then you drop big song from Papi. And it's up to him if he want answer or not. But boy in the melon and I act like the girl who come out. You see what I say? And I talk. Me not see it different from a girl. You see what I say? Yeah, because a girlish thing una do. So that man, real man have to make una know what una do. So a girlish thing una do. You see what I say? And that what una do on the internet, you know, only in a vlogger. It not change, you know. A girlish thing una still are doing, you know, my brother. I make you know that straight, you know. Because we not deal with lollipop thing, you know. We not deal with gimmicks thing. You see what I say? I could have seen with it when them authentic feel away, him going at the studio and go match up a wicked lyrics a chop against Papi. Then you come out and I represent like the girl represent. Me not understand. I went since man start follow girl, my brother. I went since man start follow girl and I don't post skip me, them I follow them for. Dog, gonna cut out on the lollipop thing, dog. A lollipop thing, dog. You see what I say? Yeah, no joke thing that about it. A big lollipop thing that we not go on with. You see what I say? And right now, you know, only if you see where follow right behind that. A blood clot. New rules go keep. You see what I say? And me not know how comes Flippa Mafia get a mic for even forward up on the stage. So my thing is, for Flippa Mafia get a mic and new rules, meanwhile mavado perform. It have to be stages. Him couldn't just get up off of him own and get a mic like that and forward up on the stage when Gully gotta work. Me not see it a go away there, so me I say, me not see how it goes. It's not a boogie I got show, so me not know. You understand me? But for the fact that him get a mic and forward and on the stage and them shit there, I see him try to get in where him want deliver twice. You see me, and Gully God no make it happen. Him even try to give Gully God a hug and him shun him off. Me no know the relationship with the brother them, you know. If them are brethren, if them fall out, if them not fall out, if one walk. Me just go off for what me I tell you say me see. Is where me I say, me not think in myself him could have get a mic and go up on the stage when the man a perform without acknowledgement from either the people them who organize the show or from either the Gully God himself or so whosoever in the organization that him could have even get the privilege to even get a mic for even up on the stage. You understand what I mean? That me I talk about. You see what I say? Right now, to me personally, me not like that. Me not enjoy that. You see what I say? Because me not gonna lie to you. For the thing them were Flippa Mafia go through and them shit there, not like so well then. You know what I mean? Like, cause we're all man in at the end of the day. You see what I deal with? And like, people do things wrong and right. You see what I say? And like, it's okay to give anybody a blight. You see what I say? From your feel away there within your personal self. But me I say, yo, to the way how Gully got shun him off up on the stage, my brother, it was an embarrassment for me. You see what I say? As a dancehall fan. For no one say, well then, it's a dancehall artist. Him just all a forward back from prison or whatever. Me not care if you like him or not, but me just talk about the benefit of dancehall. For even him, for the time them where him do, I'm just a forward back. As an artist in the business, and you could have give him that look in there, and you shun him off from now, give him that look in there. Me not gonna lie to you. To me, the man turn the muggler. The man turn the muggler, dog, style the muggler like the man a pelper. I really think I say him style the muggler, dog. So it look like the man take off, you know what I mean, like a big public disrespect that. You see what I say? Yeah, me no know, I say it again, me no know where go on behind the scene. if Gully God even apologize him for whatsoever it may be. But me not think no apology could have accepted behind the scene when you diss the man publicly on the stage. You see what I say? Me now go say, you know, him have a right for run up on Gully God time or whatever. But me, all me I say, me not think him could have get the mic without permission from whosoever, is what I say, in charge, or even the artist with up on the stage himself. So is what I say. So for him get the mic and even up on the stage, it a show so well let some form of corresponding go on. Is what I say. But you see the way how it turned out, a big disrespecting that, and me not rate that. Is what I say. Me not respect that. You see me. I don't know the relationship between the two man them, but I not gonna say nothing at all about it because me no know. I not gonna follow any man who run them out on YouTube because these things are where you see I go on YouTube. 99% of it's not real. You see me? People can't hunger act them way there on YouTube. Them not act them way there in front of people, real people in front of them. No make them fool on them. You see what I say? It's just a YouTube gas up and they say it's stop. But anyway, at the general, the 10 star when I represent, I want to know each and every time I represent, I want to know Gaza way. There ain't no other way. And as I say again, I don't think taking the mic from 10 out of St. Thomas because him cursed the bad word because a school children perform for it was a back to school treat. Me they think that acceptable because you hear nobody would nothing go on. You see what I say? Me no know where go on behind the scene the if no other this where them claim say in this. Me know what the vlogger them run with it and now me see him ride the wave. You see what I say? We go on between Flippa Mafia and mavado, me no rate that none at all. You see what I say? After what me see go on, me still no know where go on behind the scene. Me just a chat after what me see go on. At the general, the 10 star one. Whoa.